This is a very mind-blowing arbitrage strategy. You can easily achieve 15 to 50% APR with this simple strategy. I know you are by now wondering, but Geoffrey, arbitrage trading requires one to act quick and to take on many trades to realize substantial profits. No, don't worry about that stuff. That's for peasants. Pathetic. I'm going to show you how to execute simple trades using a free crypto arbitrage bot. You never have to worry again about missing trades. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Remember to smash that like button. Earlier, we saw how to use Pionex trading bots to catch lucrative market opportunities with ease. The bots do the hard work as we wait to reap the profits. That video can be found in the description. But wait, we never explored the spot futures arbitrage bot. This is what we are going to delve into. Take time to check out my Patreon page using the link in the description for more content not posted here on YouTube related to trading and books to help you towards personal development. It's essential to remember what crypto arbitrage is. Crypto arbitrage is a type of trading strategy where investors capitalize on slight price discrepancies of a digital asset across multiple markets or exchanges. As the name spot futures arbitrage suggests, we'll be taking advantage of the prices inefficiencies between the spot market and the futures market of the underlying asset. Spot futures arbitrage strategy is holding a short position in the perpetual futures market while holding the same amount of position in the spot market. This implies having a market neutral position and receiving a funding rate every 8 hours. The funding rate comprises two components, the interest rate and the premium. The interest rate is fixed at 0.01% per 8 hours, and the premium varies according to the price difference between the perpetual contract and the mark price. The funding rate ensures that futures prices and the index prices converge regularly. When a perpetual futures contract is higher than the spot markets, long positions have to pay shorts due to a positive funding rate. In contrast, short positions pay longs while the futures price is trading below the spot price. First off, you need to deposit some tokens into the Pionex app. I'd recommend you go with USDT, which we are going to use to trade using the spot futures arbitrage bot. So just click the deposit button, then choose your preferred network that you'd want to deposit your USDT with. I'd recommend you go with TRC20 or the BSC network. Those ones are cheaper to do those transfers. Once your USDT are here, you need to go to the trading panel. Here you can see a number of bots that we can use to trade with. So just scroll down here and find the spot futures arbitrage bot. So just click to create the bot. My bot is already set to the Ethereum token. So here you can choose the different tokens that you would want to trade with using the spot futures arbitrage bot. You can see we have BTC, the first one, ETH, then other coins like Sushi, ZRX, High. It's essential that you know the token that you are going to trade with. Just to see the margin that you are going to be required to have here with other tokens. If you choose XTZ, that is Tezos, you will require a minimum of 1,000 USDT to invest using this bot. From experience, I've seen that choosing Ethereum will be cheaper compared to any other token in here. As you can see, Ethereum will only require you to have 100 USDT in order to start running this bot. BTC will require you to have a minimum of 300 USDT to run the bot. If at all you are just beginner, just trying to start trading with the bot, it's good that you put a minimum amount to start trading with, which will require you to go with the Ethereum token. There are more details to see in here. So within 7 days APR, we can see it's positive 3.83%, 30 days 4.53%, and 180 days will give us 3.72% APR. Scrolling down to see more insights, you can see the funding rate is now at 0.0011%. The funding rate is always given to either the longs or the shorts based on the market conditions every 8 hours. You can also go to the advanced setting and choose your leverage. Here we can see we have a leverage of 1x, 2x, and up to 3x. The Pionex app recommends that you go with a maximum of 2x leverage. but it's best that you just choose 1x, which means not using any leverage. The price gap is also another thing to keep an eye on. If at all it's negative or way below, then you should close your bot or just stop trading. So that's it. This is the easiest way to actually do arbitrage trading without having to put much work into the charts or putting much of your time into trading. We say that automation is to your time as compound interest is to your money. When you actually want to have much time with you and having something working for you, then looking into the Pionex spot futures arbitrage bot will be actually a better decision to make. This one, once you set it, it will just be running for you. Remember, you can earn from 15 to 50% APR with this type of trading bot. That's so massive. Something that you can never get from your bank by just keeping your money in there in the bank account. Some of the essentials to note with price gap is that never start arbitrage if the price gap is negative. Finish your arbitrage strategy and close your positions when the gap is lower or negative. Normally, the gap is floating between negative 1% and 1% most of the time. In case you incur losses from the price gap, you can cover that loss within 2 to 3 funding rate income. Tips for using a crypto arbitrage bot. First, don't switch between coins too often since you'll have some trading fees cost when you start and close a bot. As long as the funding rate stays positive, keep the bot active for at least 1 to 2 weeks. However, you can shut it down anytime you want. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Choosing to arbitrage 2 to 3 coins at the same time will be better. It's better to start the bot while the price gap is higher, shut down the bot while the price gap is lower or negative. After learning about spot futures arbitrage bot trading with Pionex, you should clearly take it upon you to act on this gem of opportunity. This is the blueprint to making money with low risk and staying off those tiring charts all day long. Want other people to know about this opportunity? Comment down below the word spot futures arbitrage to help YouTube reach them. Peace.